Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into it. So today we're going to be talking about pairs trading. What exactly is pairs trading, how to put a trade on, and the advantages and disadvantages of it. So this is my Thinkorswim. I will leave a link below to this grid so you can actually have these charts. Right here, all I have is two of them. Okay, they're side by side, exactly the same thing. Okay, but we have the 200 period moving average, a basic RSI, we're on the daily chart, and then we have candlesticks essentially without wicks. So it gives you a lot cleaner type of, just kind of a lot cleaner looking chart to be able to trade from and be able to see divergences, things like that, overbought, oversold conditions, and so on. They don't work as well as with stocks, but they can give you kind of mark the lows, right? Maybe here we see this, a pullback here, could have gotten along somewhere around here and ride this up, okay? But with that being said, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to do a pairs trade and how to set this up. Essentially, what we're going to do is we're going to say, hey, we want to get long Intel and be short AMD. The reason being is we think Intel will actually outperform AMD on the upside. Now, so if it does, we're just looking for that spread where if Intel goes up 1%, AMD only goes up 0.5%, we're actually going to make about 0.5% on our money. And we'll put this in as shares, okay? But at the end of the day, to get this, what we need to do is grab a calculator and actually do this based off each price and divide the dollar amount by how many shares. So let's come over here. I have AMD up, okay, and well here, let's go Intel first, okay, and we're gonna go, let's say we want to invest $5,000 in each one, okay, so we're gonna go $5,000 divided by the price of AMD, 59.33, and that's going to give us about, round this up or down, about 84 shares of Intel, because if I go 84.27, we're going to come out with $5,000. Okay, so we know we need 84 shares of Intel to be long. Now AMD, what we're going to do is we're going to take that same $5,000, right? Remember, you don't want to do shares like 100 shares versus 100. You want to do dollar amount. So we're going to get long $5,000 worth of AMD and Intel, and short $5,000 of AMD. So we'll go 5,000 divided by the price of AMD, 53.50. Enter, and we're going to need, and we'll round this up to 94 shares. Okay, so 84 and 94. So we come over here, Intel. Okay, we're going to get long 84 shares, and AMD, we're actually going to get short 94 shares. Okay, and as you can see right now, we are in a downtrend. Okay, and the current prices, this is kind of what we're looking at. It's actually this number right here is minus 46.98. Now, what we want is if we're going to be long Intel and short AMD, we actually want this number to rise. So what we would do is come over here and look to buy the pair because we want Intel to actually outperform AMD, and we could kind of maybe wait for price to come lower, okay, and put that trade on, or look for a support level and look for a bounce. There are multiple different ways to do this. And when, now let's say you want to go short AMD, just flip it and you would sell the pair, right? If you want to short Intel and be long AMD. Okay, again, you're just looking on a dollar for dollar basis, one to outperform the other. So that's a quick video, just a quick run through of what pairs trades are, how to trade them. And remember, in the ultimate scenario, you would want Intel, like if we got long here in short AMD, we would actually want Intel to move up and AMD to move down, right? And you would make money on both sides. But let's say they both go higher, you just hope Intel outperforms AMD. So again, I hope this video helps. Just kind of a quick run through of what pairs trades are and how to set them up on Thinkorswim. And I will leave a link down below in the description. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.